Welcome to Fantastic Friday. Today is your big day. You have a lot going on, but we won't belabor it. But first, we're going to start with going over the independent practice that you had to do on yesterday, Thursday, the 12th of November. You needed to describe one way the information in Wright's sentence differs from that found in Wilford's sentences. You need to use two details from the sentence in your answer. One way Wright's sentences differs from Wilford's sentences is she comments on the empty fuel tanks dropping away and falling to earth. Wilford's sentences differs by providing details on the ascent of the spaceship climbing a 184-mile high in orbit. Okay, readers, it's quiz time. You are going to show what you know about point of view. So you're going to go to SchoolNet. You're going to type in the code PY5QA2L. We'll put that in the chat. Once you're done with your quiz, you need to do the final touches of your text structure and text feature project. It is due before you leave class today. Okay, readers, I want you to have a fantastic Friday. Congratulations for completing another week of learning here at Party Elementary, and we wish you a very safe weekend.